Hi guys, so we are in the holiday season, so I decided to do some holiday hairstyles for you guys. So this is one of them. This is a flat twist hairstyle, as you can see, but if you don't know how to flat twist, don't worry, I have a flat twist tutorial coming for you guys. Yeah, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this absolutely gorgeous flat twist hairstyle on my 4C hair. There is no added hair here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. I'm going to be using Uncle Funky's Daughter products to do this, and yeah, it's, as you guys can see, it's a flat twisted hairstyle. So if you don't know how to flat twist, don't worry, I actually filmed a video, a very easy tutorial on how to flat twist while I was doing this, so I'm going to be posting that after I post this video. Very easy, very straightforward, especially if you're a beginner. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be using Uncle Funky's Daughter products to do this hairstyle. It's such a cute and adorable hairstyle, very nice protective hairstyle. But let me not talk too much. Without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so let's start by sectioning. So as you can see, I have a section in front. That is the section I'm going to be using to do the bangs. So I'm going to put that out of the way. And then for the back, I have a section across like that, a horizontal section at the back. I'm going to be doing single strand twists there. So now to moisturize, I'm going to be using my Uncle Funky's Daughter Ultimate Travel Size Kit that has small sizes of all the essential products you're going to need to do a full style. So as you can see, I'm taking out Thirsty Curl and Extra Butter. That's what I'm going to be using to moisturize my hair. They also have Super Curl as well. My hair is actually already moisturized with Super Curl, but whenever I like to do twisted styles, you guys know I like to use thicker butters because they soften my hair whenever I do my twisted styles. That's why I'm going with Extra Butter now, and it also makes my hair easier to part since my strands are very coarse. So I just like how that combination feels in my hair. So I went ahead and sprayed Thirsty Curl first, left it to soak in for a while just to make my hair soft. Then I'm going to go over it with Extra Butter. As you can see, I'm not using a lot because I said I already have Super Curl in my hair. After I was done washing my hair, I moisturized with Super Curl, but now that I'm doing my hairstyle, I'm using Extra Butter. So that's how I combine the products. Anyways, now that my hair is soft, I'm going to start sectioning. As you can see, I'm taking a rat tail comb and I'm just using it to do my sections at the back for my single strand twists. So I think I had about maybe 13, 14 single strand twists at the back by the time I was done. Whenever I do styles like this, if you guys notice, I usually use my Uncle Funky's Daughter products because I just love how they moisturize my hair whenever I'm about to do a style like this. And my hair can be a little difficult to part since it's very long and it's very coarse and it's quite thick. So whenever I use good moisturizing products, it just softens my hair a lot and it makes it much easier to part, and it makes my styling process so much easier. Plus the products really last well in my hair, so I don't have to keep remoisturizing every time, even though yes, I do remoisturize when my hair starts getting dry, and I'll show you guys how I remoisturize at the end. But doing my hair, I always like to make sure that I'm using good moisturizing products so that the products last longer in my hair while it's in the protective style. So I'm done doing my single strand twist at the back, as you guys can see. Next, we're going to work on the sides. So I already went ahead and did the sections. As you guys can see, I'm going to have 8 sections on the left side and 8 sections on the right side, going from my hairline down to the middle of my head. Again, I'm moisturizing my hair before I start doing my flat twist. So yeah, this is the portion that we're going to be flat twisting. We're flat twisting the front and the sides. So yeah, the sides and the front for bangs. Like I said, if you don't know how to flat twist, that's fine. I have a very easy and straightforward flat twist tutorial that I filmed, and I'm editing it right now, so I should be posting it pretty soon. Now, this hairstyle is actually a very common hairstyle in Nigeria, and it's a very common kids hairstyle. If you guys haven't noticed by now, I like doing a lot of kids hairstyles, but tweaking it so that they look good on adults. And I also love doing protective styles like this on 4C hair because I believe this is like the best way to style 4C hair so that it retains length and it holds moisture and it doesn't break. This is basically keeping my hair in hairstyles like this helps my hair to grow, because when my hair is done, I don't have to keep touching it. If I'm using good moisturizing products, my hair is going to remain moisturized for a long time. So yeah, styles like this are just convenient for me. I can wear them to so many different places. So as you guys can see right now, I'm doing my flat twist. And like I said, I'm going to be doing 8 flat twists on the left side and 8 flat twists on the right side. Now, this hairstyle in Nigeria is called PATEWO, which means clap. PATEWO is a Yoruba word that means clap in English. So yeah, and it's called clap because you see how the two sides, the left side and the right side, basically meet at the center of your head. So it's like the hair is clapping. You know when you clap your hands come together. So yeah, the left side and the right side come together and clap technically in the middle of your head. So that's why it's called clap. That's why it's called PATEWO. But yes, that is what we call this hairstyle in Nigeria, and it's a very common hairstyle. I just love doing styles like this on my natural hair. I actually posted another one I did recently, which was shuku. Shuku is another Yoruba word, and it's also another very common hairstyle in Nigeria. If you haven't seen that tutorial, I'm gonna leave, you can click the ad at the top if you want to see it. So that is the hairstyle that I did on the right side of the screen. But anyways, as you guys can see, I'm done doing my flat twist on my right side. So yes, I am going to go ahead and do my flat twist on the other side so that they match. So now I'm done doing the side flat twist. I'm going to be working on the front. As usual, I'm going ahead to moisturize with my Thirsty Curl, then my extra butter, and then I'm going to section my hair and start doing my flat twists. So as you guys can see, I am flat twisting the very front part of my hair. That part of my hair is, yeah, just tiny short parts in the front. Honestly, I feel like styles like this really bring out the beauty of black hair, of African hair, because these are the styles that just fit. I mean, my hair is 4C. These are the styles that fit my hair really well. These kind of styles, like twisted styles and updos, really look nice on 4C hair. I do roller sets and twist and curls and stuff like that once in a while, but for me, these are the kind of styles I like to do, like the twisted hairstyles or African threading. Definitely my go-to hairstyles. So I am done twisting, and this is the final result. I'm going to turn around so you guys will see what it looks like. I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of 360 views in this video, so just get ready. Next, I'm going to be putting some beads. You guys know my hairstyles aren't complete without beads, my twisted hairstyles. So I'm going to be using some gold and black beads. And this is what my hair is looking like right now. Honestly, I'm basically done. I'm just going to go put on some makeup after this and come and show you guys the final look. But this is the hairstyle. This hairstyle is so gorgeous. Oh my god. As usual, like I always say, if your hair isn't as thick or as long as mine, feel free to add in extra hair, Marley hair, Kanekalon hair, anything you want to add when you're doing your twist to give you more volume, to give you more length. So this is the finished look. My makeup is done and everything. This hairstyle is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a great holiday style, very low maintenance, and it's very beautiful. And you can also tuck your bangs to the side if you don't want the bangs in your face. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Like I said, I filmed a tutorial on how to flat twist. Very easy, very straightforward, and I'm going to be posting it after this video, so definitely make sure that you look out for it. I plan on leaving this in for about 2 to 3 weeks, so all I'm going to be doing is just remoisturizing. It's a very easy style to maintain, especially during the holidays when you're busy and stuff. You don't want to be worrying about your hair and what you're going to do with your hair. This is such a convenient hairstyle. It's very cute. You can wear it in so many different places. I just wanted to do a hairstyle for you guys that you can take through Thanksgiving, throughout the holidays. Such a nice protective style. So when you put your hair in this style, you don't have to worry about doing your hair or touching your hair. The most you do is just like basically remoisturize, and I do that by taking Thirsty Curl this and just spraying it around my hair, and if I need to, just take a little bit of super curl here, just like literally a little amount, and just rub it all over my hair, and I'm basically done with moisturizing. So it's a very easy style to maintain. You guys see all the products in the kit. So if you're traveling for the holidays as well, this is actually a really good investment for you to take. Obviously, since you can't travel with the full-size products, this literally has all the products that you will need. So there's Curly Magic. I really didn't use gel for this hairstyle, but if you want to use gel to like make sure that your twists come out nicer and neater, you can definitely use Curly Magic to do that. Thirsty Curl is what I use to rehydrate my hair because it's a good liquid leave-in conditioner. So I did my hair with extra butter. But when I want to re-moisturize, since extra butter is quite thick, sometimes I would need like a lighter moisturizer that's going to soak into my hair faster. So then I go with Super Curl. And Midnight Train is another leave-in conditioner as well. So it depends on the one your hair likes. My hair prefers Thirsty Curl, but I know some people prefer Midnight Train. So either of them should work for you. If you have any questions at all, definitely ask me down below and I'll try my best to answer. All the products I use are from Uncle Funky's daughter, and they're going to be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. If you want to get any of the products, definitely use my code West African Baby for 15% off on the Uncle Funky's daughter website, or you can get these products at Target. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!